25th. The show is tomorrow. And this whole big grass lot here will be staged up with cars, weather permitting. Because the weather's telling me, the weather lady told me, don't cancel your plans. And the weather phone is telling Jessica that it's going to rain the entire day. So I don't know. Anyways, here we are, Panty Raid. Oh, there's going to be cars tomorrow, weather permitting. Slim Intoxicado. Hoodrat, hoochie mama. We got 2 more coming. Looks like we can make it. Yeah.
Alright, cool. We just want to ask before we
Yeah.
here.
I'll move that over a little for you.
Alright.
The sign. Hey, pull up right next to me. I wonder if we could get Lester in there too, maybe. Think there's room for Lester there? There's room there for you, or maybe we can see about the other side. We're gonna try it out, see what happens. Think it's gonna fit there? Yeah, actually, I think we're good. Oh, we got plenty of room with this little mug. Oh, should be recording, stupid ass. You can go back a little more. Should be good. Oh, 2 Ryans?
No, Riley.
Riley. Oh, I heard Ryan. Again. All right, Tom. You got it.
Warming up. Yeah, I'm alright.
I don't.
Don't hit my fucking shins, please.
Oh, shit. Oh, I thought that might have been it.
Nothing.
That's one. It's still one.
Stand down there next to the Cadillac. You know that flashing Hoodrats sign?
No, don't hit that one. You're right. And just like that, we're back from Horseshoes. Lost. Got our ass beat. We almost broke double digits. Got 9.
More level. The cool thing is, once I get done doing it, I can literally dump it right to the phone.
Wandering around Panty Raid. Stupid light this year because people are scared of a little rain.
Some people are.
Yeah, some people are. We ain't scared of shit. This was one of my favorites at Autorama 2 years ago. Huh? Yeah. white with the gray. Oh. Got Wayne vibes.
That's what I did. I like it. I started in 79.
I think he's got some meaty tires on it.
Really good color combo.
Hey, I like that. If it's in the trailer. That's why I got a sticker on the back of mine that says trailers are for boats. So that's why I'm looking. This is the hardcore. The Hoodrats are giving out a hardcore award. That's what I'm looking for. Someone that drives their shit around.
That thing's been to Vegas twice.
You've drove it to Vegas?
I've driven it to Vegas. I've driven it it's been all through the Badlands in South Dakota. We were on the road for 2.5 weeks with it.
Okay.
It's got 46,500 miles in the past.
What's drivetrain on it?
Small block Chevy.
Dang.
Drive trans, Camaro subframe.
Perfect.
That's all I need.
Driver.
Okay.
Man. Oh, yeah.
You planning on sticking around, or are you gonna take off if it starts sprinkling? All right. All right. I'm glad I found you. Yes, sir. Oh wow.
Okay, did nice. Good amount of pinstriping.
Yeah, and it's got a modern interior, but it matches. It looks all right.
I'm looking, I'm like,
Going on, man?
What up, Corey?
All right.
I'm alive, brother. How you doing?
Good, good, man. Looks like you're starting to get some going on. Looks like it's starting. Homie Jason's ride. Everybody's running. Yes, sir. Good, man. Yes, sir. Woo!
Be on TV.
Yeah, you are.
Whoever doesn't have a tent, come on in. Bring your motorcycles. Bring your bandanas. Your bare feet. Matchbox cars.
Ooh, feels good.
Come on. Don't be
Yeah.
shy. Three bikes.
Blue one's cool, it's already been picked for an award.
How you know that?
With a piece of paper inside.
Ooh, I like the black one better. You know.
Yeah.
Oh shit, we could club pick it if you want.
Supremes.
Club pick it,
Club ticket.
and then that other guy for the. All right, I'll continue walking. I'm a walking in the rain.
Hopefully it's the one I'm hoping.
Tears are pouring and everybody's leaving. But not me, cause I'm not as to see. I'll walk in the rain.
Doesn't look like it's gonna last too long,
Yes, sir.
Shortly after I got the Buick.
Yeah. Why not? It's like around the stuff over here.
Killer, turbos and all. This is the Shoutout Club Choice Hooligans out of North Carolina.
North Carolina.
Thank you guys,
Golly.
beautiful machine. These guys
Buddy
from
from
North
high school, he
Carolina
comes back for this every year.
Award.
Man, that's tough.
This is that one over there.
Okay.
Just right beside
He
that.
brought two of them?
No, that's their club pick.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, some of the boys flew in too.
Alright, next up is, I think this is Nick's award. Where's Nick? It's 63 Merc. This one's Nick's. Ryan's bringing it out to you. He'll present it to you, getting soaked and all. Beautiful car. Thanks for coming. We appreciate it. Thank you so much. Beautiful car. Next up is Kevin's pick. We want to let this guy know.
Yes, sir.
He's got a killer. This is Dustin and Kaylin Carlton. I say that right? Alright, hey, we're going to keep it moving here. He's throwing a kick-ass show that he's related to October 4th and 5th up in Chesney, Michigan. If you got any questions, they got a lot of stuff planned. We're going to make our trip up there. If you got any questions about the show, hit us up on Facebook. Killer car, keep it driving, baby. Sag nasty, forever.
Yes, sir.
Next up is Norman. Norman in a 50 Chevy from Millington, Michigan. Drove it. Beautiful car. We appreciate it. Steel's Pit. Killer car. Keep driving, man. Safe travels. Hell yeah. We appreciate the support, man. Safe travels going home. More than happy to have you come up. Canopies later on. Kick it. We got plenty of room. We're packing in. Next is Ian's bike. Yeah! It's a 52 Harley Panhead Custom Matt out of Temperance. Keep it moving, I like it. That's what it's about, man. We appreciate it. Alright, next pick. Hardcore pick, it's Gary White. He's got a 47 Pontiac Coupe. He's driven it to Dakota and out west multiple times. He drives the shit out of this thing. Round of applause, let's
Yes,
go.
sir.
That's a beautiful 47 Pontiac. That's what it's about. He's driving it.
Yes,
We
sir.
ain't scaring him. Feel free to stay, hang out, have some cocktails with us. This is
Yes, sir.
We got some more music coming.
Yes, sir.
It's Brian.
Yes!
This bitchin' ass 58 wagon. Killer, he drives the shit out of it. He supports us every year. He's a downriver guy, right?
Yeah!
Ish? Alright. He's a friend of the club. He does a lot of work, a lot of great work. Yeah, he supports all the local shows. We appreciate it. Thanks, Brian.
Well, that one actually wasn't.
Next is Rick Sam. And this has got a story behind it. So it's a 38 Ford. This is Rick Sam. He's here every year. Long story short. Him and his wife last had this car on the road in '86. I believe they bought it when they were married. They're from Toledo. Small area.
Yes, Sam! Mr. Sam!
Round of applause for Rick Sam. Killer Cup.
I love love.
He loves love.
I love love.
Yeah. Rick, we appreciate him and his wife. I had to drive it here this morning. Bring back some old memories.
Great start.
Oh my God. This year, 50 years ago. Unbelievable. Congrats. That's beautiful.
Yes, sir.
Well deserved. Well deserved. They've been on the hot rod team since before me. I remember them growing up with their son. I used to play with their son at the car show. Oh. Killer car.
Hell yeah.
All right, so next we're going to do, real quick, we have a gender reveal from a young couple. Josh and Amber are expecting a baby. I don't know, shortly. They just found out. When you guys, January 13th is the expecting date.
Oh my.
They don't know. I'm going to grab the envelope out. And I want to say something about Josh and Amber. Since day one, they've been sponsoring, they've been supporting. He's the guy that brings all the O'Reilly's buckets. He donates every year. He's here, rain or shine. As a couple, that's what it's about. This is
You guys come out of the tent.
You're right. There's a whole tent there.
this is, I'm trying, you guys can get under here. It's sticky, the envelope. Drum roll, please. This is their first baby. They will be expecting a baby boy.
Hey! Yes, sir.
Round of applause. Much appreciated.
That's awesome. First time for that, guys.
Hey, I got
Gender
goosebumps.
reveal at the panty raid.
Hey, and it's a boy, a hot rodder.
And we'd appreciate if the middle name was Raid or Panty.
Or Piston or Jammer.
Or Piston or Jammer. No, by all means, we appreciate you guys since day one. We appreciate you guys, all the support. You'll definitely want to keep that. Try to keep it out of the wetness.
Congrats.
Thank you guys so much. Alright,
Well,
so
got one for next year if it don't rust.
we're going to try to do this 50-50 next, I think.
Hoodrat
You can
rust.
stay underneath that canopy if you want.
Okay, thanks.